Alright, today we're heading into Zion National Park to hike the Watchman Trail. We're rolling through Springdale right now. This is the main gateway town before you hit the South Park entrance. If you're doing Zion, this stretch matters. Parking, food, timing, all of it starts here. This is a national park that offers incredible views before you even get out of the car. Once you pass the entrance, you're immediately inside the main canyon. This is the Watchman's Trail. It's about 3 miles round trip, moderate in difficulty, and conveniently located right next to the visitor center. This hike offers spectacular views of the temples and the Towers of Virgin. This trail is typically well populated but not crowded. With plenty of space to rest, this trail is accessible for all ages. This is one of the hikes I recommend to people when they want a real Zion experience without burning up the whole day. Quick shout out to Adventure's first stop. Maverick is always so clutch, definitely a major staple in our Vista Vacation local favorites. The initial phase of this trail is very easy along the Virgin River, but before long you will begin to gain moderate elevation, right away providing plenty of stunning views in every direction. This is where the Watchman Trail begins to fully shine. No waiting until the end for a payoff. From start to finish, the views are stunning. But with the higher elevation, the 360 view gets better and better. The best time of year to visit Zion National Park is the fall through the spring. The summer can be great too if you know how to manage it. We have lots of bodies of water and amazingly accessible high elevation mountainscapes that provide the perfect summer temperatures. If you could see yourself skipping the crowds and touring like a local with Vista Vacation, reach out and we will customize a guided tour just for you. This is usually where people stop, hang out for a bit, grab photos, and hydrate. You don't need to rush this hike. Take your time here. When you're ready, there's a short Watchman's Loop. That is the most scenic and best part of the trail. Definitely well worth the few extra minutes. One of the many reasons I like this hike is that you're not wrecked at the end. You still have energy for the rest of the day, and that matters if you're actually trying to enjoy Zion and not just survive it. This is the kind of hike you pair with a good dinner, not an ice bath and a nap. That's how you know you picked the right trail. A great way to wrap up a day like this is a stop at Wild Time Cafe here in Springdale. Solid food, relaxed vibe, and you're still taking in the views and talking about the hike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more local adventures.